What if I told you that $1,000 left completely alone could turn into over $10,000 without you ever adding another dollar? No tricks, no lottery, just one idea that's been quietly building wealth for centuries. It's called compound interest, and by the end of this video, you'll never look at money the same way again. Before we get to compound, let's start simple. Simple interest means you earn interest only on the money you originally put in, your principal. So if you put in $1,000 at 10% per year, you earn $100 every single year. Year 1, $100. Year 2, $200. Year 3, $300. It's steady, predictable, and honestly, kind of boring because every year the math is exactly the same. Now here's where compound interest flips the script. Instead of earning interest only on your principal, you earn interest on your interest too. So in year 1, you still earn $100 on your $1,000. But in year 2, you're earning 10% on $100. That's $110. Year 3, you're earning on $1,210. The number you're earning on keeps growing. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. The bigger it gets, the faster it grows. This is the compounding effect. And at first, it doesn't look that impressive, but give it time and watch what happens. There's a formula behind all of this. It looks intimidating, but I promise it's just 5 pieces. A equals P times the quantity 1 plus R over N, raised to the power of N times T. P is your principal, the money you start with. R is your annual interest rate as a decimal. N is how many times the interest compounds per year. And T is time, the number of years. The more often it compounds and the longer you wait, the bigger A gets. Let's make it real. You put $1,000 in a savings account earning 8% per year, compounded annually. After 10 years, $12,159. After 20 years, $4,661. After 30 years, $10,062. You put in $1,000. You did nothing. And 30 years later, you have over $10,000. That's the power of leaving compound interest alone and letting time do the work. Here's the part that changes how students think about this. Starting 10 years earlier beats doubling your money. If you invest $1,000 at age 20, by age 60 at 8%, you'd have over $21,000. Wait until age 30 to invest that same $1,000. You'd only have about $10,000. Same money, same rate. The only difference is time. Time is the one ingredient you can't buy more of. So start small, start now. Compound interest rewards patience more than it rewards size. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today.